Welcome to Sessions Health Tutorials. Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health each day in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the scheduler view of Sessions Health. So we're logged in as scheduler person. We can see they only have the scheduler role. They do not have the admin role. So this would be someone who only has the permissions to do scheduling and not manage the Sessions Health account. If we go to the home screen, we can see some large differences between this role and other roles. There's no billing information at the top. They can see the upcoming week's schedule, and they're also going to be able to add reminders and see if there's any clients that need set up. If we look at the calendar itself, we can see they can see the appointments that are on the calendar. They can't see any billing information or the bill itself, but they can see appointment details. And on the notes tab, we can see they don't have permission to view any of the clinical information. They can make changes to the appointment as the scheduler and can save that information. They can also manage availability for the therapists at the clinic. They can create new appointments, which you would expect as the scheduler. You can see the client list, but if we go into a client record, we can see they can only see administrative notes, which are filling in here. They can't see any clinical notes. They can see demographic information, contact information, and they can see the portal for doing intake. And there's also the ability to add emergency contacts, add reminders. However, you can see there's no billing tab here, so there's no access to billing information. Can create a new client, but again, there'll be the same limitations. There'll be no access to diagnosis and treatment plan or clinical notes. Under account settings, it's only read-only information. Can't edit anything. You see the billing settings are completely hidden. There's not even read-only views of the billing settings. Forms and documents, read-only. Can view and print consent forms, but can't make any changes to them. Same with any of the other forms. These can be viewed but not edited. Under insights, you can see there's no billing or insurance insights available at all, only access to client and appointment insights. So this concludes the scheduler role tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.